Welcome back to Future Phone Flash. Today, we're delving deep into why every iPhone enthusiast should be eagerly anticipating the action button, especially with the imminent arrival of the iPhone 16. Let's uncover how this groundbreaking feature is poised to transform and elevate your iPhone experience to unprecedented levels of convenience and customization. Unparalleled customization capabilities. The inclusion of the Action button in the iPhone 16 brings with it an array of unparalleled customization capabilities. Unlike conventional buttons that serve a single purpose, this dynamic feature can be seamlessly customized to execute a wide range of tasks through the intuitive Shortcuts app. This level of adaptability not only enhances usability, but also opens the doors to a new realm of personalization, allowing users to tailor their iPhone experience according to their unique preferences and daily routines. Tailoring functions to reflect your style. Apple's unwavering commitment to user empowerment is vividly demonstrated through the Action button's ability to adapt and reflect individual styles and preferences. For the first time in the iPhone's history, users have the power to personalize the function of a physical button, simplifying everyday tasks such as contacting favorite contacts, launching frequently used apps with a single tap, or setting timely reminders. This level of customization not only adds a layer of convenience, but also fosters a deeper connection between users and their devices, making the iPhone 16 truly feel like an extension of oneself. Boosting productivity through streamlined multitasking. While iPhones have long been lauded for their seamless user experience, the integration of the Action button, alongside innovations like Dynamic Island, takes multitasking to unprecedented heights. By minimizing the need for constant app switching and streamlining common tasks, this groundbreaking feature has the potential to significantly boost productivity and efficiency for users across various scenarios, from work to leisure activities, ensuring consistency and excellence across iPhone generations. By introducing the Action button as a standard feature across iPhone models, Apple is not only ensuring a consistent and seamless user experience, but also reaffirming its commitment to delivering excellence regardless of the device's age or model. This strategic move aligns perfectly with Apple's ethos of maintaining software continuity, allowing users to seamlessly transition between devices while enjoying a cohesive and intuitive user experience. Embracing innovation with the iPhone 16's advanced features. While the iPhone 16 is expected to bring incremental upgrades across hardware and software, the introduction of the Action button stands out as a transformative addition. Coupled with rumored features such as the powerful A18 chip and enhanced camera capabilities, the iPhone 16 promises to push the boundaries of innovation and redefine user expectations, setting a new standard for smartphones in terms of functionality and performance. Pioneering future-ready software enhancements. Looking ahead, the upcoming iOS 18 is poised to introduce AI-driven enhancements that have the potential to reshape how users interact with their iPhones. The seamless integration of the Action button with these cutting-edge advancements not only enhances user control and convenience, but also lays the foundation for a more intuitive, efficient, and future-ready iPhone experience. Anticipation builds. Welcome back to Future Phone Flash. In this chapter, we'll explore the growing excitement surrounding the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro. While early hints pointed towards a larger screen and a new capture button, recent leaks suggest a groundbreaking leap in camera technology, promising to redefine smartphone photography. Visionary camera upgrades. Diving into the heart of innovation, Chapter 2 uncovers the rumored enhancements to the iPhone 16 Pro's camera system. With larger camera modules and potentially game-changing sensor improvements, this chapter delves into how these upgrades could transform the way we capture and share moments. Zooming in on detail, zooms in on the speculated inclusion of the iPhone 15 Pro Max's advanced telephoto optical camera. If true, this addition promises unparalleled zoom capabilities and the ability to capture intricate details from a distance, setting a new standard for mobile photography. A capture experience like never before. Apple's strategic introduction of a photography-focused capture button takes center stage in Chapter 4. We'll explore how this feature aligns with the anticipated camera upgrades, aiming to elevate user experience and empower users to capture stunning visuals effortlessly. Designing for comfort and efficiency. As rumors swirl about a potentially larger camera array and increased screen size, Chapter 5 delves into the ergonomic considerations of the iPhone 16 Pro. How will these design enhancements impact handling, usability, and overall user comfort? We'll examine these crucial aspects as we await further details. Power and Performance Unleashed sheds light on the speculated cutting-edge 3-nm chipset expected in the iPhone 16 Pro, with promises of superior performance and potentially improved battery efficiency. This chapter explores how these advancements could elevate multitasking, app launches, and overall device longevity. The future unfolds. In the concluding chapter, we reflect on the excitement and anticipation surrounding the iPhone 16 Pro's advanced features and upgrades. These leaks offer a glimpse into the future of smartphones, promising a device that pushes boundaries and delivers an unparalleled user experience. Green light for display production. Exciting news has emerged as both Samsung Display and LG Display have received the green light to commence mass production of screens for the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro lineup. Samsung is set to supply OLED screens for all variants of the iPhone 16 series, while LG will exclusively cater to the Pro versions. Adding to this, BOE will join forces to supply OLED displays for the standard iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus models. LG's breakthrough moment. This approval marks a significant breakthrough for LG, especially after facing production challenges and meeting Apple's stringent deadlines in the past. With a newfound focus on delivering screens for the high-end Pro models. Conclusion: a revolution in the making. Exciting times await iPhone enthusiasts with the impending launch of the iPhone 16 Pro models. Keep a close watch on Future Phone Flash for the latest updates and insights into the ever-evolving world of mobile technology. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating journey.